Success is a process, not an event. So don't settle. Let's take 10 more steps. In this 10 Kadam series part 1, we will discuss 10 illustrations of thermal properties of matter. The temperature of equal masses of 3 different liquids X, Y and Z are 10 degree, 20 degree and 30 degree respectively. Let us say 3 liquid X, Y and Z and masses same, so M. Here temperature is 10 degree Celsius, here 20 degree Celsius, here 30 degree Celsius. The temperature of the mixture when X is mixed with Y is given by 16 degree Celsius. And similarly when Y is mixed with Z, it is given by 26 degree Celsius. The temperature of the mixture when X is mixed by Z, let us say this temperature is given by T when X is mixed with the Z. So firstly we are mixing X and Y. What we will write? Heat loss equal to heat gain. So of course it is visible to all of you. 20 degree is more than 10 degree, it means heat will lost by the Y and it will be gained by the X. So that is MC. We say specific heat is here C1, here C2, here C3. So MC1 delta T is 6 equal to MC2 delta T is 20 minus 16, that is 4. So what we can say, C1 into 6 equal to 4 into C2. This is equation number 1. Similarly, we will mix Y and Z. Again MC delta T. So M C2 delta T is 26 minus 20 is 6. M C3 delta T is 30 minus 26 4. So what we can say, 6 C2 is given by 4 C3. This is equation number 2. Now we are mixing X and Z. So X is at 10 degrees Celsius and Z is 30 degrees Celsius. X will gain the heat and Z will lose the heat. So we will write when X and Z is mixed, that is M C1. X temperature is 10 degree, so it will be T is more than 10 degrees, so we will write T minus 10 equal to M C3 30 minus T. अब हम C1 को C3 की फॉर्म में लिखेंगे या C3 को C1 की फॉर्म में लिखेंगे तो सवाल करना आसान हो जाएगा. तो वी विल यूज बोथ द इक्वेशन नंबर 1 एंड इक्वेशन नंबर 2. C1 को हमें C3 की फॉर्म में सेट करना है. So I hope 6C1 is given to us, that is 4C2. Okay, it means what I can say, C2 is given by 6 by 4 into C1. इस C2 की वैल्यू को मैं इक्वेशन 2 में लिख रहा हूँ. 6 C2 की जगह लिखूंगा 6 into C1 by 4 equal to 4 into C3. अब इसको कैलकुलेट करते हैं. We will get C1 is given by 4 4 just 16 upon 36 into C1. C1 is 4 4 just 16 into 36 upon C3. So it is not C1, it is C3. So we will put the value of the C1, that is 16 upon 36 C3 T minus 10 equal to C3 30 minus T. C3 से C3 cancel. So we can reduce this 4 4 just 16, 4 9 just 36. So it is 4 T minus 40 is given by 9 3 270 minus 90. Further we will solve it. It is given by 90 and 40, that is 13T is given by 310. So value of the T is written as 310 upon 13, and when we will solve it, it will become approximately 24 degree. So right answer of this problem is option D, that is 23.84 degrees Celsius.